Welcome. In this video, we will learn the full forms of 100 computer-related abbreviations. So, let's get started. We are going to start with PC, which stands for personal computer. The next one is POST, which represents power on self-test. BIOS stands for basic input-output system. OS, operating system. DOS, disk operating system. CPU, central processing unit. ALU, arithmetic logic unit. RAM, random access memory. DRAM, dynamic random access memory. SRAM, static random access memory. DDR, double data rate. ROM, read-only memory. EROM, erasable read-only memory. PROM, programmable read-only memory. EPROM, erasable programmable read-only memory. EEPROM, electrically erasable programmable read-only memory. HDD, hard disk drive. SSD, solid state drive. CD, compact disc. DVD, digital versatile disc. DVR, digital video recorder. FDD, floppy disk drive. FS, file system. EFS, encrypting file system. NTFS, new technology file system. FAT, file allocation table. I/O, input output. USB, universal serial bus. HDMI, high definition multimedia interface. VDU, visual display unit. CRT, cathode ray tube. LCD, liquid crystal display. UI, user interface. GUI, graphical user interface. JPEG, joint photographic expert group. MPEG, motion picture experts group. GIF, graphics interchangeable format. AVI, audio video interleave. FPS, frames per second. DPI, dots per inch. CAD, computer aided design. CAI, computer aided instruction. CAM, computer aided manufacturing. UPS, uninterruptible power supply. PSU, power supply unit. WWW, World Wide Web. SEO, search engine optimization. ISP, internet service provider. Email, electronic mail. CC, carbon copy. BCC, blind carbon copy. FTP, file transfer protocol. TCP, transmission control protocol. VoIP, voice over internet protocol. SMTP, simple mail transfer protocol. HTTP, hypertext transfer protocol. HTTPS, hypertext transfer protocol secure. URL, uniform resource locator. E-commerce, electronic commerce. HTML, hypertext markup language. XHTML, extensible hypertext markup language. XML, extensible markup language. CSS, cascading style sheets. API, application programming interface. CDMA, code division multiple access. GSM, Global System for Mobile Communication. Edge, Enhanced Data Rate for GSM Evolution. GPRS, General Packet Radio Service. FM, Frequency Modulation. IP, Internet Protocol. IPv4, Internet Protocol version 4. IPv6, Internet Protocol version 6. IoT, Internet of Things. PAN, Personal Area Network. LAN, Local Area Network. WLAN, Wireless Local Area Network. MAN, Metropolitan Area Network. WAN, Wide Area Network. VPN, Virtual Private Network. DNS, Domain Name System. NAT, Network Address Translation. NIC, Network Interface Card. IC, Integrated Circuit. IT, Information Technology. ICT, Information and Communications Technology. DBMS, Database Management System. RDBMS, Relational Database Management System. SQL, Structured Query Language. Virus, Vital Information Resources Under Siege. DML, Data Manipulation Language. DDL, Data Definition Language. OOP, Object-Oriented Programming. BCD, Binary Coded Decimal. OpenGL, Open Graphics Library. SIM, Subscriber Identity Module. SMS, Short Message Service. VR, Virtual Reality. AR, Augmented Reality. AI, Artificial Intelligence. This lesson concludes with a creative expansion of the word computer, common operating machine purposely used for technological and educational research. So, that's all for this lesson. See you in the next one. Thank you.